Merry Christmas Eve, y'all. It's Vlogmas Day 11. I'm done with the videos, but we're just going to wrap it up on this one. And I also have a testimony. So the other day we talked about giving, and guess what? So I bought a few items from a company that I've worked with, and I bought it for people for Christmas. And then I woke up yesterday morning from an email saying that they refunded the whole amount that I spent. And so just praise God. Give and it'll be given to you. You know, just be obedient and do what God tells you to do. I could have decided I don't have the money, I don't want to do it, and just not done it out of thinking I had lack, and I, you know, and like, who knew I thought to give and God was going to give it back. You know, praise God and praise, you know, I'm thankful for that company. I hope He blesses them. But also just along with that, just remember the themes and the words of encouragement throughout this Vlogmas. I hope you were able to recognize it. The first one we started off with was perseverance. Whatever you're doing, whatever you want to do, press through, push on, even when it's painful, even when it's hard. What's going to matter is your discipline, because you're not always going to feel like doing it. So just press on. Through this Vlogmas, I had to press on. It is difficult to be known for your hair videos, but like post everything but hair for like 2 weeks, you know. And so God gave me that early on. And then also think of things that are good. Those are what you want to focus on. Think of things that are good. And I don't want to talk too much because I just want to wrap it up on this. We want to review what we did over this past 12 days. And let me know what message did you guys take from your spirit from God over this past few days leading up to Christmas from watching the vlog. Which video did you like the most? What moments did you like best? Comment down below as we look over the video and recap. Also, I will be back on here tomorrow live at 10 a.m. PST. So that's 1 p.m. EST. And I think 12 CST. So I will be back on here live literally for just like 2 minutes because I want to say something to y'all. But that's it. Enjoy the video. Scroll down, comment, let me know what y'all think. And I'll see you guys tomorrow on Christmas.
Soulja Boy, tell. Soulja Boy, I've been it. Why me crank it? Why me? Let's go. Come, let me go.
And we made it.
Now look at Blaze.
Hey. Who you a fool for this?
Use your voice you use at work.
And at home. I know I had to, but girl, you can't put that. Girl. It don't have to be Christmas.
It is this Vlogmas, okay?
Vlogmas is chocolate chip. What kind of cookies do they leave for Santa Claus? Chocolate chip cookies. I don't need no flips.
It's okay, girl, but your nails look good.
Thanks, so.
You welcome.
You know, I don't need no.
What you wait?
Show what I'm
Girl, what did you do?
But, thanks for all the compliments about my nails.
Holy night, all is calm. You know the old school. Show me like, look, you asking for more, but like, it ain't even about more, about less. It's about your heart. You're not really having the heart to give because you're too steady trying to keep and hold on. You're too steady thinking you're gonna run out.
Thank you, girl.
Soulja Boy, tell.